Hello viewer, welcome back again to my channel. So let me show you how I style this hair. I'm not going to only tell you how I style this hair. I'm also going to tell you what happened to me while making this hair. So first thing we do, I moisturize the hair and I sprayed my tangle free spray, and before I comb it. Then after combing it, and I massage it really like you really have to massage it inside. Then I brush it just to make sure everything is where um like entered. So as you can see the hair now, you won't see anything like that again. So after doing that, I started that's when I started the braiding. So where I stop is exactly where the hair. Immediately I finish the hair, um I just like kind of weave it 2 to 3 times in case I want to cut, I want to trim the hair later before I undo it. That is why I made it a little bit more than that. So guys, the story behind, um like I said, I will be going I'm going to be talking about is what happened to me while making this hair. As you can see, you see I'm big already. So I managed to make her sister's hair, and I thought of making her hair too because I know I don't make her hair, so she might be going to school with her natural hair like this. And I don't like my kids packing their hair to school. I never liked it, and I don't intend doing it. So as I was making the first one here, so I have 3 kids, 3 beautiful, amazing girls. So as I was making the first one here, which is the one I coiled, so this one I didn't coil it because of my condition. So as I was making the first one here, I was already feeling sign of me, like maybe we are there, okay. And I also said it in that other previous video that I was already having my contraction a little when I was making my first daughter's hair. So as I was making hers, it became worse. So I was just making this hair as fast as possible because hand was really meeting me. I was feeling pain, like this labor pain there now. You know how it is. So I was really in pain, but I made sure I finished the hair because I know if I don't finish the hair now, it's going to take time before I'll be able to do it. So, but I don't want to give up. I just keep like doing it, but really, guys, it's not easy to be having this strong contraction and you are still making hair, you know. And at this time, I was really happy. I'm close. I'm close to finish the hair. Like I wanted to change my mind to just start cutting the hair big, but because I started from the back, I always like to start my braid from the back. So because I started from the back, so there's no way I can make the front bigger because if not, there will be no fitting at all. So at this point, I was just like, I will make hair, I will hold on, I will make it, I will hold on. Look at my veins. They are all out now. You see my veins? They are all out now because my body is telling me like is I'm getting ready. You know, just some few hours after I finished this hair, I was taken to hospital, you know, and that was even the more reason I didn't coil the hair. I was supposed to coil the hair, but there was no time again, like the pain was too much. I will make hair, I will just braid it a little before you know, I start touching my headache, like the pain, and my daughter was always supportive, telling me, Mommy, do, Mommy, sorry. But she just know I'm having pain. But she don't know the kind of pain I'm having. I couldn't tell her that baby is ready to come out. I was just there like making the hair and touching my teeth, eating my teeth there. It happened with my previous um pregnancies though. I was having like contraction. I decided to stay long at home. My contraction started at 6 p.m. and I waited till 12. No, it started, sorry, 6 a.m. in the morning. I waited till 12 p.m. before I went to hospital. And you see, here now, for me to touch my leg like that, the thing is was doing me like continuously already. So, and when I had started having my contraction, my husband went to work. He was preparing for work. So I just told him, I said, I think I will be having contraction today. I was already having it, but I didn't want to tell him because I don't want him to be kind of being at work and be worried. So, and when he came home around 6 in the evening, he was like, how are you feeling? I said, I'm fine. Is there anything? I said, no, nothing. But I was having pain. But when it got to around 11 something, I could not bear it anymore. I said, now it's time for me to go. So when I stood up, I couldn't walk anymore. They had to call me ambulance. Ambulance came to pick me. Like I could not even walk out from my room to outside to go and meet my ambulance. So they have to come inside. They wanted to raise me like to support me. They said that I can't move because it was really close. I couldn't move my legs anymore. They have to carry me from inside, put me on the chair, carry me out. So I was kind of scared with this one. Like I don't want this to happen this way. So that was how I was just rushing, like making the hair fast, fast. At times I would like when the pain relieved me, I would just rush the hair, making it very fast until the thing starts again. So now I'm rolling on the chair, not because of the hair, but because of the pain. I'm just trying to just like when you are having pain, you think where you are sitting, you are not comfortable, but you are comfortable, but because of the pain, you don't know what to do. So now we are done with the hair. I'm just like, I can't wait. I can't wait to finish this hair so I can just like start driving to hospital. So I put hot water in the towel, use it to smoothen the hair. The hair was really, really fine. And yeah, I'm glad I finished the hair just how I started it. And after I tied the hair, okay, see, I'm dancing. As you can see now, you see me dancing. I'm not dancing to any music. Oh, I'm dancing to my pains, guys. The thing is sweet. It's really sweet. So I decided to just quickly wrap the hair because there was no way for me to start weaving this hair or thread it or whatsoever, roll it, whatsoever coils I tend to do. Like I didn't even remember I am supposed to coil the hair anymore. Like I was just rushing. Let me rush and pack this hair and leave because the thing was really, really telling on me already here. So I was also trying to be careful so I don't put the pain on my daughter because she don't know what's going on there. So I was trying to be careful not to put the pain on her. And yeah. So guys, have you ever been doing something while you're having contraction? Like sometimes people do laundry with their hands just to distract themselves. Sometimes people just keep walking to distract themselves. Sometimes people dance. Which way do you like distract yourself when you're having contraction? I just want to know. So here I wrap this hair, and after wrapping it, I just decided to just use a hair packer to hold it down so she can at least stay with this hair till I am like ready. There was even some hair out when the hair I wrapped. I didn't even notice it because guys, I was not. It was not me that was not there. Oh. It was not me. I was just there based on mother must bear some pains. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.